Today, we are diving into a fresh and untapped business idea that has surfaced with the recent upgrade of Google Analytics to GA4. I'm Tony, and in this video, I'll be sharing all about the Google Analytics 4 agency and how you can turn it into a successful venture. Now, with the latest upgrade to GA4, businesses have gained access to a more robust and comprehensive analytics platform. However, many companies are struggling to fully grasp and leverage the power of this new version. That's where the Google Analytics 4 agency comes in. The GA4 upgrade has opened up a massive gap in the market. Businesses are in dire need of assistance to understand effectively how to implement GA4. This presents a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs and agencies like yours to step in and offer specialized services to bridge this gap. So let's talk about how you can build a successful Google Analytics 4 agency. Here are the key steps you need to follow. First and foremost, you need to create a professional and impactful website for your Google Analytics 4 agency. You can utilize a user-friendly website builder like wpress.com with its drag and drop functionality and customizable templates. You can easily showcase your agency's services, expertise, and success stories. Be sure to check the link in the description for more information and to access wpress.com. Next up, you need to assemble a team of experts who possess in-depth knowledge of GA4 and its functionalities. These professionals will be the backbone of your agency, guiding clients through the transition and helping them make data-driven decisions. Look for individuals with experience in data analytics, digital marketing, and web development. Continuous training is crucial to ensure their skills stay up to date in this ever-evolving GA4 landscape. Next, invest in advanced analytic tools and platforms that seamlessly integrate with GA4. This will enable efficient data collection, analysis, and visualization, empowering your agency to provide comprehensive insights to clients. Google Data Studio, BigQuery, and Tag Manager are some recommended tools to consider. To further enhance the GA4 experience for your clients, you can also develop proprietary tools or plugins. Automation is key to streamlining data tracking, reporting, and insight generation. By developing custom automation systems, you will save time, improve accuracy, and allow your team to focus on delivering valuable analysis and recommendations. Tools like Zapier and Google Apps Scripts can be leveraged to automate various processes. This not only increases efficiency but also enables scalability as your client base grows. Now let's dive into the exciting part: marketing and go-to-market strategies for your Google Analytics 4 agency. Here's what you should consider. To create awareness and educate businesses about the benefits of GA4 and the need for professional assistance, leverage content marketing, webinars, and informative blog posts. Produce engaging and educational content that showcases the power of GA4 and its impact on business growth. You need to establish yourself as a trusted authority in the GA4 space by sharing valuable insights, best practices, and even success stories. Tailor your marketing campaigns to target industries or businesses that can benefit the most from GA4 implementation. You also need to conduct thorough market research to identify sectors with high demand for advanced analytics and personalized marketing strategies. Showcasing case studies and success stories that highlight how your agency has helped businesses achieve better insights and results will build credibility and demonstrate the value your agency brings. Networking and partnerships play a crucial role in expanding your client base. Connect with industry professionals, attend conferences, and collaborate with complementary service providers. By establishing partnerships with web developers, marketing agencies, and consultants, you can generate referrals and tap into their networks. Consider offering joint services or referral programs to incentivize collaboration. Your involvement as a speaker or panelist in industry events can also boost visibility and foster new connections. You need to position your agency as a thought leader in the GA4 ecosystem. Publish in-depth articles, white papers, and industry reports that provide valuable insights and trends related to GA4. Engage with the GA4 community on social media platforms and participate in relevant discussions to enhance your agency's visibility and reputation. Look for opportunities to contribute guest posts to industry-leading publications, and invite guest speakers for webinars or podcasts to further establish your agency's authority. When it comes to signing clients, consider incorporating affiliate marketing strategies, cold email and DM campaigns, as well as paid marketing tactics like Facebook ads, Twitter ads, and Google PPC ads. Set up an affiliate program to partner with influential individuals or businesses in the digital marketing space, allowing them to promote your agency's services for a commission. Personalized cold emails and DMs can be effective in directly reaching out to potential clients. Craft compelling messages that highlight the benefits and solution your agency offers. To generate leads for your cold email and DM campaigns, you can utilize a reliable lead scraping agency like leadscraping.io. By using our services, you can extract targeted information from various online sources, allowing you to reach out to potential clients more effectively. Check out the link in the description and learn more about leadscraping.io and how we can support you in your lead generation efforts. And don't forget to leverage paid advertising platforms to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your agency's website or landing page. You need to create targeted campaigns that emphasize the value of GA4 implementation and closely monitor their performance for optimal results. Now, let's talk about what to do next once you sign your first client and subsequent clients to ensure a successful engagement. Begin by conducting a comprehensive onboarding process with each client. Understand their specific business goals, challenges, and expectations. Collect all relevant data and access to their current analytics setup. This will provide a solid foundation for tailoring your services to their unique needs. Next, you need to perform a thorough assessment of their existing analytics infrastructure and determine the gaps and opportunities for improvement with GA4. You need to develop a customized implementation plan that aligns with their goals, and also set up GA4 properties and configure data streams, and also integrate with relevant platforms such as Google Ads and Google Tag Manager. After this, you need to offer training sessions to educate your clients on how to navigate and leverage GA4 effectively. You need to teach them how to interpret the data, generate insights, and make data-driven decisions. Provide ongoing support and resources to ensure they can maximize the potential of GA4 on their own. Regularly, you can provide insightful reports and analysis to your clients, highlighting key metrics, trends, and actionable recommendations. Offer clear and concise visualizations to facilitate their understanding and decision-making processes. You can customize reports to align with their specific objectives and focus areas as well. For follow-up cases, you need to continuously monitor the performance of GA4 implementations and identify areas for optimization. Collaborate with your clients to implement A/B testing, conversion rate optimization, and other strategies to improve their digital marketing efforts. You need to stay updated on Google Analytics 4 updates and new features to offer cutting-edge solutions to your clients. Building strong client relationships and delivering exceptional results will lead to positive word of mouth, referrals, and long-term partnerships. Foster open communication, address concerns promptly, and consistently exceed client expectations to establish your agency as a trusted partner in their growth journey. For streamlining your agency operations, you can leverage an all-in-one agency management software like agencywork.io. This comprehensive platform allows you to manage clients, projects, tasks, and finances all in one place. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, you can streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and maximize efficiency. Check out the link in the description to discover more about agencywork.io and how it can benefit your agency. So there you have it, guys, the Google Analytics 4 agency, which is an untapped business idea that has emerged with the recent Google Analytics 4 upgrade. With businesses in need of expert guidance and implementation, there is enormous potential for growth and success in this niche market. By following the steps we have discussed above and implementing effective marketing and go-to-market strategies, you can position your agency as a leader in the GA4 ecosystem. Success in trying out this business.